Shuttle elevator to hotel and casino. The news out loud, so I don't want to copyright. Here, kids, right now. Up. This is the elevator to parking. Shuffle elevator to parking. There your fishers down here at Paris Hotel here in Las Vegas, Nevada. There your fishers here. We have capacity. 3,500 pounds capacity. To let's close. Here we are now. Let's not go back down here, anyways. There's a fish or something. Go down the concourse and I'm going to end it down there. Going down? Yeah. Come on in.
Thank you.
Any more?
That's it, I'm the last one.
Yeah, okay, thank you. This elevator is kind of being used a lot nowadays because most people are on the strip. Had you been to downtown yet?
We just got here.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Do my car view first thing. Here we are, my car view. Just your basic Otis elevator. Basic Otis elevator. And that's it.